Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another Back to School Week video. Today I have another fun layered paper craft for you. This is my Ready for School layered paper craft. How adorable is this little boy? He is so happy and so ready for school. He's got his little backpack on, smiling and ready to go. He has a little graduation cap. You have the clock and some school supplies there in the background as well. Just a really cute design. I can't wait to show it to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any paper crafting fun. And with that, let's get into the materials. For this project, you're going to need your Cricut cutting machine, your light grip or standard grip cutting mat, a weeding tool, brayer, scraper, glue and adhesive, and your cardstock. You could also use foam squares if you want to add some extra dimension to this paper craft. But now that we know what materials we're going to need, let's go ahead and get started with step 1. Step 1. Get the SVG Cut File. This project is part of Back to School Week 2025. If you're watching this video during the event, you can find the download button on the event page. If you're watching this after the event has finished, you can purchase the individual cut file in my shop at shop.thebeardedhousewife.com, or if you're interested in all event files, commercial licensing, printable worksheets, and bonus cut files, make sure to check out the VIP Access Pass. Links for both of these options will be in the video description below. No matter how you download the file, make sure to download the zip file to your computer, unzip the file, and then we'll be ready to open up Cricut Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to Cricut Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in Cricut Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer, click Open, Continue, and Upload. Step 3. Resize the design. And you can see that the project has been brought into our canvas. Now I've sized this design to fit within the cutting dimensions of the 12 by 12 cutting mat. So it's a little bit higher than 11 inches tall. If you're going to be putting this project on a card or possibly in a shadow box, you can change the sizing if you need to. Right here in the sizing window, just make sure to leave the proportions locked so you don't distort the design at all. I'm going to go ahead and click Make. And you can see the mats for this project. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this project. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your project. Okay, so I have everything all cut out, so it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. Now, I do have a layering guide within the download that will help visualize how to layer these different pieces together. But from back to front, you're going to start with the white, then the light blue, then burnt orange, skin tone, orange, green, this bluish gray, blue, and then dark blue. Now I'm going to just layer these together, glue everything together. You can add foam squares if you wish. I do think that you can do that on all the different layers. It will add some nice dimension. However, some of these smaller areas are going to need you to either cut the foam squares or use the smaller dots. But I'm just going to layer everything together, and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm all done. And there is our cute layered paper craft. How adorable was this project? Isn't little guy just so cute? I hope that you like it. This would be perfect on a card or in a shadow box to give as a graduation gift for kindergarten. Just really, really fun. I hope that you like it. If you make this project, I hope that you share it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. I have a link down below for you to check it out. That's going to do it for today. I'm Nick. I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next Back to School Week video. Bye-bye.